So Bambu Lab dropped an announcement. The community has been hopeful for a simpler, bigger, faster printer to replace the old lineup. And then this, the H2D Pro. Not the hype train's final stop, but a very serious, very business-minded machine. Think less maker toy and more corporate workhorse. When Bambu Lab launches something new, hobbyists usually expect features that make home printing easier, faster, or flashier. The H2D Pro? This one's clearly built for the enterprise users, research labs, and classrooms with a healthy equipment budget. So what makes the Pro, well, Pro? There are two main standout features. First, the 350 C dual nozzle system, still blazing hot, now with tungsten carbide nozzles for extreme durability compared to the hardened steel nozzle on the standard H2D. Second, the H2D Pro Enterprise Grade Networking, wired Ethernet, WPA2-Enterprise Wi-Fi, and a physical network kill switch. That kill switch sure looks like the emergency stop button from the laser version though. Nothing says professional like a big red panic button. The rest of the features are pretty standard on the non-Pro version of the H2D. These include a 65-degree heated chamber for warp-free prints in tricky engineering plastics, vision encoder calibration, ultra-precise 50-micron motion accuracy, adaptive air circulation, plus HEPA filtration. This isn't a let's print a Baby Yoda printer. It's for environments where downtime is expensive, security is strict, and every part has to be right the first time. If your IT team wears ties, this might be their favorite 3D printer. In many ways, the H2D Pro feels like the X1E's successor, secure, precise, and tailored for industrial or institutional use. Overkill for a home setup? Absolutely. Perfect for a locked down corporate network? 100%. So it looks like what we're getting here, if you choose to go this route, is basically a couple of upgrades and a combo, a big combo. So you've got the H2D Pro, you're going to get the AMS HT, the AMS 2 Pro, the vision encoder, and the emergency stop button for $3,799, according to Matter Hackers. So, it's not the mass market surprise we thought we'd get. But if you're the right kind of user, the H2D Pro might just be the most boringly brilliant upgrade you'll make this year. Any thoughts? Let me know down in the comments. Are you still holding out for the H2S? Or are you completely done with Bambu at this point? I'd love to know what the community is feeling right now. Either way, I'd appreciate a like, subscribe if you find this content valuable, and be sure to hit that notification bell to keep up to date with all of my new content. We officially passed the 5,000 subscriber mark, so today I'm going to go through the contest entries and find all of those that are eligible to win the A1 Mini. I'll announce the winner by the end of the week. Should I go live to do that? Let me know if you tune in. As always, I appreciate the time that we get to spend together here on the channel. So let's keep on learning, burning, printing, and growing together. Take care, everyone.